and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian, and today we are going to be drawing some more princess accessories. So if you are interested in princess accessories, maybe you have some princess drawings and you want to add a couple more things to them, like a handbag or some lipstick or anything else, make sure you watch this video and draw along with me. So these are all pretty easy for anybody to do, so don't feel overwhelmed. Get your crayons, your markers, your pens, your pencils. Get some of your mom's lipstick to draw with. No, don't do that. I was just joking. Don't tell her I said that. I'm sorry. Well, you know, if she lets you, maybe you can do that. Really, anything that makes a mark you can draw with. And always get your parents' permission too. Disclaimer. There we go. So we're gonna go ahead and start with lipstick, and we're gonna have some perfume and a whole bunch of other stuff in there. So keep watching, keep drawing, and in the end you can put any colors you want in there, any background. You can even draw just one single thing from here, like this perfume bottle. And maybe you already have a drawing of a princess, or maybe you have a drawing of anything else and you want to put it on a table side. You can keep this drawing and do it whenever you want to do it in any combination. So that's what's cool about drawing. You can really just change everything up and make it your own. So what is your favorite accessory? And maybe there's an accessory that we haven't drawn yet for a princess that you would like to see. Let me know in the comments. Since we're on the subject, you know I have to say it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. It helps the video out, and I always enjoy talking to you. As well as subscribing lets you see all of the videos that are put out by Rainbow Brush. Look at these boots. I like them. They're simple and easy to make, but they look amazing. We're gonna, of course, have to draw two of them because it'd be funny if you were only wearing one shoe, especially as a princess, right? One boot anyway? Anyway, put the little heart on your lipstick because that will make it just that more special. You could put a star maybe, or any other shape that you want, a moon. Maybe you're doing a moon princess and you have a little moon right there on the lipstick and she wears like a black lipstick or a gray. You can change the color of that too. I love that you're here learning how to draw because drawing is one of my favorite things to do, and I love art. So it's really cool that you're here. So guess what? Thanksgiving is coming up, and I was wondering, what are you guys doing for Thanksgiving? I'm gonna be working. I know I'm gonna be working on Thanksgiving, but someone has to be in the emergency department as a nurse, and I am gonna be that person. So, saving lives in the ER, I guess, is worth missing one Thanksgiving, but my family's gonna get together and they're gonna bring me some food to work. And, of course, they're gonna spend the whole Thanksgiving together because we have a large family, and I love Thanksgiving. I'm even hungry now, I can't wait for it. What are you doing? Are you gonna go to your family's house? Are you gonna go on vacation? Maybe go to Hawaii? I don't know. Australia? Or are you from a country that doesn't celebrate Thanksgiving? Interesting to find out. Let me know in the comments. I really do want to know. I think that's kind of cool. Are there any holidays that are your favorite? I like Christmas a lot. There's different holidays all around the world, so tell me which one is your favorite. Which one do you like to get together with your family and just kind of enjoy time together? Or enjoy that holiday in general? Halloween passed. I liked it. Like I said in my previous video, I was Charizard from Pokemon. Of course, you know what Pokemon is, right? You don't? Well, you need to look Pokemon up then. If you do know what Pokemon is, good for you. I like Pokemon. Alright, so that's enough about Pokemon. We are done with our drawing. Can you believe that we're already done with our drawing? A lot of this is pink. You can make it any color you want, like I said before, but look how good that looks. I hope yours turned out as you expected, and if it didn't, maybe it turned out better. And if you feel like you need to practice, watch the video over and over, it doesn't matter, and just get it right, and then you can impress all your friends, like I said in many of my videos, if you draw it from memory. So, alright guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.